So these are the Amazon Echo Buds, and in this video I'm going to give you my first impressions on Amazon's latest pair of headsets. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices, plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you got to do is hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. So first, let's get these things unboxed and see exactly what's inside. So as you can see, you get the case, the actual earbuds themselves, charging cable, and some extra tips. Now, really quickly, let's get some of the technical stuff out of the way. So the earbuds support Bluetooth 5.0, 2 external beamforming microphones, 1 internal microphone that helps with the Bose active noise cancellation, up to 5 hours of music playback, up to 4 hours of talk time, up to 2 hours of music playback with only 15 minutes of quick charge. The earbuds themselves are 7.6 grams, and that's with the medium tips, and the case itself is about 70 grams. So they're pretty light, pretty convenient, pretty portable. Now the setup process for these are fairly straightforward, just like any Bluetooth earbuds that are currently on the market. The only main difference is I realized that in order to fully take advantage of these earbuds, you're going to have to install the Amazon Alexa app itself. And that app is going to request to run in the background of your phone, continuously updating the earbuds themselves. That is a good thing and a bad thing, because you have some more additional options that you can use to fine tune the earbuds to your best listening quality, but then you have an application that's running in the background that can be consuming battery. I don't know exactly how much battery is consuming yet. I'm gonna have to continue to test more to see if my battery life on my phone depletes any further than it normally does. With more testing, with more use, I'll be able to let you guys know when I do the full review. So as for the look and the feel of the actual buds themselves, I actually really like the way they look. I like that they're unassuming, they fit right in your ear pretty comfortably, and that's probably one of the most important things about any kind of headsets that you're gonna purchase. They have to be comfortable because you're gonna be using them for the long haul, and these things are really, really comfortable. The case itself it's just a case. It's pretty sturdy. It helps to charge the earbuds and it helps to protect them. It has that Amazon smile on it, so I guess that's kind of cool. But the earbuds themselves are lightweight, even when in the case, so you can actually just slide the case in your pocket without worrying too much about it adding weight while you're transporting them around. I like the way that the earbuds themselves feel. I like that they're lightweight, and I like that I'm able to keep them in my ears for a long duration of time. I had some problems with the Apple AirPods Pro keeping them in for longer than 30 minutes. I definitely did not have this issue with the Amazon Echo Buds. So with the Bose active noise cancellation, how good was that? The noise cancellation was actually fairly good. Once you activate it by just long pressing the side of the earbuds themselves, you basically can't hear too much, and it fully immerses you inside the music itself. Is it the best noise cancellation that's currently available? Of course not. They're still kind of earbuds, and when you do have the kind of transparency mode on these, the audio then comes through the actual microphones that are on the earbuds, so it kind of enhances the overall audio that you're hearing from the outside as well. I do like the noise cancellation with the music playing and the noise cancellation on. I wasn't able to hear too much of the outside world going on around me, for better or worse, I guess. And sound quality, since sound quality is subjective when dealing with headphones, because you're going to hear sound differently than I hear sound, but the way I heard the sound, it was actually fairly good. Some good bass, some really good highs, and nice mediums. It wasn't too much static. You can really hear crystal clear music. It felt really immersive with the noise cancellation on. I really liked the way that these headphones sound, and it really helped that they were so comfortable in your ear. You didn't have to turn up the volume too much to kind of get that crisp, clean sound that you want from a nice set of headphones. I like the way it sounds. I'm going to continue to evaluate it. Maybe my thoughts will change later on, but for right now, the sound quality is definitely a thumbs up. And price-wise, because price is a feature, of course, is about 130 bucks. So that's definitely not bad, especially with earbuds costing $250 or upwards of $300. This is a nice price range for a nice set of earbuds so far. I really like this price range. I think it's targeting more of the casual average consumer for a nice premium set of headphones that you don't have to kind of break the bank in order to get. Good price. Good job, Amazon. So far, all in all, I'm liking these headphones. I'm liking the way they sound. I'm liking the way they feel. I'm liking the way they look. But I'm gonna go ahead and put them through their paces, and then we're gonna give you a full review on my thoughts on these headphones in upcoming weeks. Till then, if you wanna check out my first impressions of the AirPod Pros, go ahead and click on this video here. This is something that YouTube believes you'd enjoy watching, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe with that bell for notifications so you don't miss when I release some cool, helpful content like this one. Until next time, guys. Peace.